How to get a bigger penis, the guide. Penis size is a quite sensitive issue for many men, and every man at least once asked himself how to get a bigger penis. Here is the guide. Weight loss. In many cases, when men think they have a small penis, they are overweight. Losing weight may give the answer a bigger penis, though only slightly. Actually, you will not have extra inches on your penis, but it will look more massive. Besides, losing weight will improve the sex drive and quality of sex life. Pills. When choosing pills, prefer those containing L-citrulline or L-arginine. These dietary supplements increase nitric oxide levels and improve blood flow to the penis. As it enhances the erection, it makes your penis longer and thicker. Be attentive, as these products can interfere or react with other medications you take. Always consult with your doctor before trying a new supplement. Creams, oils, and gels. Except for pills, there are many products to apply on the penis to make it bigger. They come in forms of various creams, oils, and gels. These products are preferable for men seeking natural remedies. Also, they have some benefits over pills as you need not swallow them, and they are suitable for individuals who experience swallowing difficulties. These penis enlargement products are easy to use as you need only to massage the penis with cream or gel. The manufacturers claim that you can get instant results due to ingredients with blood flow enhancing effect. However, you need to know that these products may contain hormones, apart from oils, herbs or vitamins. These ingredients increase nitric oxide levels in the penis that allows more blood to flow towards it. As a result, your penis gets harder and bigger. Devices. Today there are also many devices which help stretch the penis. The numerous ads claim about their effectiveness. Usually, they work as follows. The device wraps the penis and applies physical pressure to make the penis bigger. Let's explore them briefly. Penis rings. They are used during erection to make the penis harder and larger due to increased blood congestion. Clamp. The clamp is a device you place around the base of the penis. It has a similar effect to ring as it stops blood from flowing out of the penis. It can help if you want to have a temporary effect and elongate the penis during an erection. You should not use these devices for longer than 30 minutes. If neglected, it can lead to side effects because the devices interrupt the blood flow. In rare cases, these products cause some damage to your penis tissues. Penis extender. A penis extender is a device with a traction mechanism which helps you how to get a bigger penis, stretching the penis. And therefore it increases the length of the flaccid penis. Latest penis extenders are quite convenient to wear because of modern materials and their comfortable design. Surgery. Surgery is a rare method used to increase penis length, but still, some men decide to go on it as they consider this approach to be fast and effective. Also, surgery helps correct some defects or improve penis function. Today there are two types of penis enlargement surgeries. Lengthening the penis is the more common procedure. The surgeon cuts the ligament connecting the penis to the pelvic bone. It gives more shaft and obviously increases the length. Widening the penis means using the implanted materials like silicone, etc. that can thicken the penis. Thus, today's medicine offers various methods to help men make their penis larger. If you are unsure about what to do, consulting a specialist makes sense.